Whether you live in Corpus Christi or you're just visiting, there's a good chance you've driven down Ocean Drive and Shoreline Boulevard and enjoyed the scenic view. But you probably didn't enjoy the road's condition. That's because it's been nearly 50 years since the street received any significant rehabilitation work. But that's all fixing to change. Corpus Christi is going to revive the drive.
This is the signature drive for the city, and we as residents here drive it sometimes just to see the view, just to get a nice spiritual uplift. People use it also to get to work or to downtown or to their home, and so it's in bad shape.
The city recently kicked off the improvement project with the groundbreaking at Swantner Park. There, City Manager Peter Zanoni and the Public Works Director Richard Martinez gave us some of the details of the project. The goal is to revive this once beautiful stretch of roadway, so when you're driving down it on a bike or in a car, you've noticed the view and not the roadway.
When you pay attention to the road, something's wrong with the road. And so that's my goal in the end, is that everybody can enjoy that corridor.
All phases include improvement bike lanes, pavement markings, and new updated signage.
I-37 to Lomax, which is an asphalt mill and overlay. And then we have a segment from Roberts to Louisiana, and then from Roberts to Ennis Joslin, which is a heavy structural repair, and finally an asphalt overlay.
Scheduled to begin in fall 2020, the Revive the Drive's 8-month timeline will bring some traffic changes to the area.
The entire stretch won't be shut down at one time. So please look at traffic signage to show you where to avoid during that time frame. There are alternate routes that you can take as well. But if you just have some patience, there will always be lanes that are open, both in north and south directions.
For more information on this project and other street projects, visit our website at cctexas.com/street info. Reporting for the City of Corpus Christi, I'm Brad Godeke.